Can't run Vimdiff 7.4 on Windows 7. I recently installed the 7.4 version of gvim on a Windows 7 machine. Trying to diff two files from the context-sensitive menu on Windows Explorer, I keep getting the error messages. E810, cannot read or write temp files. E97, cannot create diffs. The two selected files are opened in the two-pane Vim view, and the editor seems to be in diff mode, but the actual differences are not highlighted. The %temp% and %tmp% environment variables are populated with a valid directory name. I get the same response when opening the files in a regular gvim session and typing :diff these in the command prompt. This used to work properly with Vim 7.3, but it looked like something was changed in v7.4. How can I diff the two files?
This issue can be caused by the default _vimrc file created by the installer on Windows. If you're still using that default file, or if you copied it at some point, then check the function you've assigned to the diffexpr option. One of the patches between Vim 7.3 and 7.4 introduced new default quoting rules for the cmd.exe shell on Windows. This patch broke the workaround in the midif function designed to fix the same issues solved by the patch. The midif function was fixed by version 7.4.103 by fixing the installer. Here is the midif function which the latest installer will create for you if you just want to copy it to your _vimrc. You can see your full version in Vim using the column version or column intro commands or at the splash screen at startup. Unfortunately, if you want an official installer, you will either need to wait until 8.0 or install a nightly build. Nevertheless, you can install Vim from other places or build your own Vim. Duplicated on Stack Overflow, unusually, on topic on both sites. If this answer is updated, so should the other.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.